Hazeldene House is a landmark heritage home built in the late 1800s. Although the interior has been renovated to a high standard, the old asbestos tiled roof has not. Ad hoc tile replacement to repair leaks and damage over the years are now breaking down. A replacement roof was urgently required. The Nulok roofing system was chosen to do the job. Welsh slate has now replaced the previous patchwork of old tiles, and terracotta capping has restored the graceful roofline. The old corrugated tin roof above the dormer windows is replaced with slate. Only the Nulok system can safely lock tiles into a roof pitch as low as 5 degrees. The final result is a stunning example of the era. Hazeldene House has now been returned to her former grandeur, topped off with a brand new hat.